China's AC-332 twin-engine civil helicopter successfully conducted its first full-stage flight on Friday in China's Tianjin. With a maximum takeoff weight of 3,850 kilograms, the AC-332 can carry up to 10 passengers. It has a maximum cruise speed of 260 kilometers per hour and a maximum flight range of 693 kilometers, according to its developer, the Aviation Industry Corporation of China.
在高原性能还有人机功效、操作的便利性、乘坐的舒适性，还有功能可靠性方面，都得到了极大的提升。
The helicopter has lower operating costs, with various configurations that can meet diversified operation requirements. It is capable of taking off at an altitude of 4,500 meters with a ceiling of 6,000 meters, meeting the needs of air transport, search and rescue, and medical aid in plateau areas.
这型机的定位是在一个4吨级的一个细分市场，它主要是填补一个应急救援领域的一个空白，主要是它因为有一个隔壳式的后舱门，可以方便这个担架的进出，解决这个医疗救护过程中的一个担架进出的难点。另一个是它的高原性能比较好，解决我们高原运输的这个高原使用的这个场景的一个能力问题。
The AVIXAD, the full-time multi-purpose helicopter, received its first batch of 24 orders on Friday. These orders include the purchase agreement for 18 aircraft and the intent purchase agreement for 6. They will be used in air transport, emergency medical rescue and patrol, and other fields.